Well, 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 here we are, folks. Um, your boy. All right, I'll hear it. I'll hear it, guys. I know. It looks like we're not just gonna rally straight into the stratosphere. How about that? Your boy told you about this Head and Shoulders on SBX. What's it do? Breaks the neckline right here, straight down. No bounce here at 39.30. Bears are back in control. So now we are in this important supply slash demand zone right here where we once a little lower. We once bounced out of here, we reject, and then we rip through here, and now it's a matter of if we can get any bounce here in the bottom of this zone right at 3,900 is very key. Um, but, you know, I tried telling y'all, this is why you guys listen to me, man. I told y'all what was going to go down. I told you. Walmart, with that terrible guidance cut, is just so super bearish. And then on top of that, we get news today. The Consumer Confidence Index comes out and misses expectations. Consumer confidence declining moderately in July, down 2.7 points from 98.4 down to 95.7. Destroyed expectations. Expectations were that would only drop like a point, and it dropped double that. So not good for consumer confidence. It was looking like we were gonna bounce. I came out at 10 a.m. this morning. Let's zoom on into 10. So it came out right here. We get like a little red candle, or no, we get a big red candle right here. It wicks down. It comes all the way up, and I'm still holding my puts. I grabbed the put early in the morning. I'm still playing very small size. I know I should be up like a buttload today. I'm playing very small size. I did not think we'd get a move like this today because we have such big catalysts coming after hours today and tomorrow. So playing very small size. But my Amazon short is printing. My Apple puts are going up nicely. I averaged down on my far out Apple puts $130 for the 18th of November. Um, but yeah, we got a tiny little win on NASDAQ. I wish I held that longer. But I did not expect this much dumping today. But this is very bad news. And now go look at all the other YouTubers who were preaching this past week. Oh, is the recession over? The consumer is still so strong. And go see what they're posting now. See, this is why they sell you bullshit. They want you to have hope. They want to keep your hope alive, so you keep tuning in. People don't want to watch people like me who tell you what's actually going to happen, because what's actually happening is so depressing. They want these bullshitters who come out when the market goes up 10% in 2 weeks or in like a week like it did last week, and they want to listen to those people because they go and tell them, it's going to be okay. You're right. You should buy more AMD right here at $90. You should just keep DCAing. They keep buying my course. They're selling all this dog shit to you. I come out here and I give you the fucking facts, baby. I stay bearish even when the market's going straight up because I know what's coming next. And just look at this picture perfect Head and Shoulders on SPX. It's just so perfect. Just no one else was talking about this. I was trying to find videos of people talking about this. I was like, look. Does anyone see this big ass Head and Shoulders right at the top of this peak where we gone like vertical? Hello, am I taking crazy pills? So, we gapped down off of the terrible Walmart news, and just no gap fill in sight. We didn't even get close to the gap. We gapped down, sold off hard, got a low bounce at 10 a.m. and then just dump. And yeah, that's the rest has been history. We're just straight dumping from here. I'm so glad I sold my Nvidia. That's down about 3%, so I took profit at the right time. So now the thing to watch is VIX. Oh, and VIX is above 25. Not good. So if you zoom out on VIX, you see right where it bounced. Look where it bounced perfectly on support right there. So not good for the bulls when VIX is doing what it's doing right now. But I am still a little cautious because dumping into FOMC and big tech earnings is a little scary, because we know how the market's been reacting to earnings so far, except for Snapchat earnings for whatever goddamn reason. But I'm still a little skeptical. So I'm taking it easy. I need to be 100% sure that the market is going to dump before I really size into some things. I'm holding my Amazon short nice and steady. It is down about 4.5% today. I'm expecting Amazon to have terrible earnings. I might hedge myself with a call, a tiny little call, because if Amazon has great earnings, it goes up 20%, I'm gonna get fucking roasted. So, Might hedge myself on that, but probably won't hedge myself on Apple because Apple never really makes that big of a move. But and if it does go up like crazy, I'm just going to grab another one of these puts because I'm really confident the FOMC is going to be super bearish for the market in general. So but I will let the price action tell me. I'm not going to make that mistake again. I will let the price action tell me. So we have just shattered through support, and that's really all there is to it. In the end, price action is king. We had support here at 3,900-ish. We might have support at 39 or 3930-ish, and now we have just like dumped right through this support trend line. Test, dump, retest, dump. So hard confirmation, a hard dump off of the highs. You can see right here. Bing. We didn't even fill the gap all the way. Couldn't even fill the gap all the way before we started dumping. So there still is a chance we find support and we continue to the upside. I'm not saying we just go straight down from here, but I'm saying that don't listen to the FOMO. The FOMO is there to get you. How many people are FOMOing up here, like grabbing calls? Oh my God, we're rallying to 420, dude. I knew better. VIX. When VIX gets near 20, that's when you take profit on longs because we are not out of the. We're not in the clear at all. Really, I mean, I don't know why people think we would be, but that's the power of human emotions. This is why people have robots trade for them because they can't help but feel the FOMO. So let's look at what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is falling off a fucking cliff. So Bitcoin is looking like if it doesn't find some support at basically 20,000. I mean, realistically 20,000. If it breaks through 20,000 again, that's breaking out of its bear flag, and I would imagine we head straight for, let's see here, I have it on my other screen, but my window is broken, I can't move it. I would imagine we dump straight down to 12K, or at least 14 perhaps on Bitcoin. Maybe 17 first, then 14, but yeah, it's gonna be a rug pull. It's gonna be a rough one on Bitcoin. How many people got FOMO'd into that? Oh my God, Bitcoin's breaking out, double bottom. Go on TikTok, people are drawing lines on their charts, being like, "Look, breakout." You gotta zoom out. You gotta zoom out. You can't just look at the 5-minute and be like, "Bitcoin's breaking out. I'm gonna jump back in." Zoom out, and you will see the big picture, big downtrend. So, otherwise, Apple is still within range on this wedge that it's in. It could still bounce around here at 150. Just gonna wait and see. We are destroying through this demand zone over here. Holy crap. We're right at the bottom of it. We could get a bounce right here. We'll see. But you know how it goes. If Apple collapses, the entire market goes down with it. But that's just been this entire rally. I mean, yesterday the Nasdaq was super weak. I mean, the Nasdaq is leading. It leads the market up, and then it pulls it back down. Look at these big red days we've had. The volume is still weak today, so that's why I'm still playing small, very small size, because it's super weak volume today still. That just tells you all the big money is waiting for tomorrow and after hours today. So I'm in the SPY put. I will probably just hold this. I see no reason to not, because we're in bearish territory. So unless we break back into bullish territory, which would be, and it's just a really small put too. I know I'm very exposed to the downside, but all signs are pointing down. So unless we break back above like 392, I think this put is just gonna print. So yeah, that's about that. We could get a bounce at 390. I'm gonna watch, but this setup, I mean, this is just too perfect. This head and shoulders. I mean, come on, how do people not see this? I just don't get it. It seems so clear to me. Anyways, enough of me bragging, but this is why you guys drop a sub. You know, I'm telling it to you how it is. Everyone loves to get all bullish when things go straight up, but and then for whatever reason the bears get like scared. I don't know. It seems like if you were a real bear, I'm not a real bear, but it seems like to me when everyone on the freaking world is getting all bullish and you see things that other people are ignoring, why would you not be out there saying it? Like, I don't. It's like the bears even get scared. Like, bears are like, "Oh man, we are like rallying right now." And it's like, what the? Zoom out. What have we've done this how many times now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times now. Like, this is not the first rodeo, man. This is, if you're a real bear, this is when you're like, short. I'm going short up here. I don't get it. No one's got no balls these days, but their balls all dropped off apparently. So yeah, we'll probably upload another video after hours today about earnings, see if it's a complete train wreck or not. And yeah, that's about that. What do we got? We got, I know I've looked it up like 3 times, but I should just have this marked on my own calendar. So big ones today are Alphabet and Microsoft. And then after hours tomorrow is Meta. And then Thursday is Amazon and Apple. So we have all the fangs, except for all the real fangs. Not Netflix isn't a fang anymore. They suck out loud. But yeah, all the big boys are reporting this week. So just crazy, and that's why I'm so skeptical about why the market is dumping right now. I mean, besides the terrible Walmart news, but yeah, it's spooking me out just a little bit. I'm a little spooked. I don't want to go too far short. It could just be a big bear trap, and I don't want to get trapped. So uh, that's all I got for you folks. Drop a sub, hit that noti bell. I'm on here telling you how it is every day. I fucking told you guys this was gonna happen. So I like being right every now and then. It's a rare occurrence when I'm actually right. So I jump up and down when I am. Anyways, guys take it easy. Watch the VIX, watch SPY. Price action is king. Ignore all the noise. Watch price action. Peace.